It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Monday, the 6th of December. I'm James Spann. As expected, we've had some active weather across the state today with rain and a few strong storms. Now the weather is turning colder temporarily. This is the upper air look across the country this afternoon. We have troughing developing over the eastern states, pushing the cold front through. There's the visible satellite view. The sky is clearing now just north and west of Alabama, parts of West Tennessee and North Mississippi. That clearing line will gradually work southward this evening. And the radar, showers and thunderstorms continue mainly south of Interstate 20. Heavier storms from Montgomery down to Mobile. Those will keep on sagging to the south this evening. And as expected, temperatures are going the wrong way. We started off the day in the middle 60s. It's down to 50 in Haleyville, 52 in Cullman at 2:30. Birmingham at 61 will keep on dropping in many spots. We'll likely see a light freeze early tomorrow morning. Around the nation, there's the watch warning map. We've got some wind and snow issues up north. Severe weather possibilities through tonight. We have the standard slight risk over parts of south and southwest Alabama. This would include places like Greenville, Camden, Monroeville, Jackson, Grove Hill, and Chatham. We have a marginal risk up Interstate 85 to Auburn and Opelika, but those storms will rapidly weaken this evening after sunset. Tomorrow, there could be some thunder about over the southern half of the state. And pretty much the same thing on day 3, which is Wednesday, but no severe weather expected both days as we'll be in cool, stable air. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Again, the bigger numbers back in the Pacific Northwest. For the northern half of Alabama, rain amounts between 1 and 3 inches in most spots. Rain amounts between 1 and 2 inches for the southern half of the state. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 3. Got a southwest flow aloft, and the cold front becomes stationary over the southern counties of the state. So tomorrow, the sky will be mostly cloudy. Any showers during the day most likely will be across the southern half of the state. And some North Alabama communities might stay in the 40s all day. Now, it'll be much colder tomorrow. For Birmingham, we'll say low 50s. This is Wednesday morning. A little wave comes along the front, so showers are likely statewide after midnight tomorrow night into early Wednesday morning. Again, no severe weather with this, but certainly a decent chance of showers. Then by Wednesday afternoon, that feature is on by, and we will be dry, maybe some sunshine peeking through. The high Wednesday should be back in the 60s. This is Thursday. We'll be in the upper 60s, and again, a lot of clouds and maybe a few showers for the southern half of the state. This is Thursday night. Another wave comes along the front with a good chance of rain. And again, for Friday, we'll maintain the chance of a few showers during the day. We're going to be very mild. Highs well up in the 70s, maybe approaching record levels. And we note that deep surface low developing just to the southwest of Omaha. And this is Saturday, a cold front coming in with a batch of rain and storms. And there's a lot of things happening on Saturday, a lot of outdoor events. And at this point, the day looks wet and stormy. The air will be unstable. This is the instability Saturday, so there certainly could be some strong storms, much like today. At the moment, we're not seeing signals for a major severe weather threat, but of course, we're still several days out. We'll watch the parameters carefully. This is Saturday night at midnight. Still raining. Colder air begins to flow in, and evidence here that we might see the rain changing to snow up in Nashville and Louisville. How about that? Not in Alabama, but north of here. And temperatures will likely come down quickly, and this is Sunday, the day noticeably cooler. The sky will be sunny. The high will be back in the low 50s. And a week from today, Monday the 13th, ridging building over much of the country, and that looks dry and pleasant. We'll go out 10 days, Thursday of next week, December 16th, again ridging for the eastern half of the country, and we are dry and mild. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean a little over 3 inches between now and the 21st of December. And it's a roller coaster ride. Tomorrow, we'll barely get out of the 40s, but we go back in the 70s by Friday and Saturday. Then a shot of cool air comes back on Sunday and Monday with highs back in the 50s. And hot off the presses, the brand new CPC outlook. This is for December 14th through the 20th, getting awfully close to Christmas. And there's a lot of red on that map over the contiguous United States, meaning, of course, temperatures will likely be above average with a ridge building over much of the eastern half of the country. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with two N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.